This integration from YIJC will stun a lot of JC students who are weak in your integration. So let's tackle this very standard integration question to recap integration laws with you. Now we are asked to integrate this, and first thing that I realized is that my expression contains two different kinds of expressions, right? Over here, I have an algebraic expression, and over here, I actually have an inverse trigo expression. And in the JC syllabus, one of the very core integration techniques is this thing called integration by parts, which is you have this acronym that you all will probably remember called LIATE, which allows you to integrate different functions that contain different kinds of algebraic or inverse trigo expressions in one function. And this acronym over here allows you to prioritize what you are going to differentiate later on. So this essentially helps us to choose the U, right? Out of U and V, it helps us to choose U. And we can see over here that inverse trigo comes first, followed by algebra. So it's very clear for us to see that inverse trigo has the priority over here, which is U, right? So if this is U, this will be V prime. So if I were to write out everything again, right? I have tangent inverse 2x squared times x dx, right? This is my u v prime. So this over here will actually equals to u again, so tangent inverse 2x squared, right? So this is u and then v. So the first thing I'll do is that I will integrate my x, and that will essentially give me x squared over 2, right? And then after that, from here I will minus away, then again u prime v. So now I will then differentiate this expression over here, and recall in your MF27, you know that this will give you 1 over 1 plus x squared. But if inside is a function, then this will be f prime x over 1 plus fx squared. So this will give me 4x over 1 plus 4x squared, okay? And then v. So this will multiply by x squared over 2 dx over here. So essentially, by integrating by parts, we solve half of the equation already, right? Because this half is already settled, and all we need to do now is to integrate this very simple algebraic expression, which is easily obtainable, right? So we have tangent inverse 2x squared times x squared over 2, right? We can just keep that at the side first. I'm just going to shift everything over here to the left side first. And what we have over here is we will minus, simplifying this expression first, we will get 4x cubed over 2 bracket 1 plus 4x squared dx over here, right? And we can then factorize out the half at the bottom first. So 2x squared times x squared over 2 minus, then this will essentially give me 2x cubed over 1 plus 4x squared dx. So now you see, how do we actually integrate this over here? Now, this is your very classic f prime x over fx, right? F prime x over fx, because you realize that if you differentiate the bottom, what you get is essentially 16x3, right? And on top is 2. So we can just adjust the top value first. If we're going to make this 16, and then here will be 4x to the power of 4 to really get the f prime x over fx combination, right? From the top to here, we actually times 8, which means outside we need to divide by 8 to balance things out just like that, right? And then of course we're just going to copy and paste what we have at the front. So this is half x squared tangent inverse 2x squared, and eventually when we integrate this, f prime x over fx will just give us back ln fx. So we have half x squared tangent inverse 2x squared minus 1 over 8 times ln fx, 1 plus 4x to the power of 4 plus c. Don't forget your plus c, because this at the core of it is still your indefinite integral. And this is the final answer to this entire question over here. So when it comes to H2 math, it's very important that you have a lot of practice. But in order for you to have a lot of practice, you need a wide enough variety of question types and a big enough database of questions with answers and video solutions to guide you through in your own self-guided revision. And that's why this year I've created the library of A1 Math Academy, where you get video content and questions just like this video over here inside the library for all chapters, for all H2 math chapters. And if you'd like to get access to that library, make sure to WhatsApp this number over here, the word library, and I'll send you more details, the prices, how it works and everything on WhatsApp. And I'll send you a demo link for you to view the library and see how it actually looks like and see whether it's a good fit for your own studies. And for a limited time only, all new subscribers will get access to our premium 24/7 turnaround marking service that we will mark as many papers as you do within the portal itself completely for free as part of our value added service. For more information, WhatsApp this number over here to get the info kit, and I'll send you all the details on WhatsApp.